The color.
Yeah, very good.
Let's see. Hello guys, today we make lager beer using the kit from iGulu. I just sanitized the keg of the fermenter with half glass of homemade liquid. Remember that you can buy the machine with $100 discount if you use my link or if you use my discount code. If you cannot find it, please write me, I will send you. If not, you can find under the video. I'm super happy to test this kit because I will collect the yeast that will drop on the bottom and I will use the same program to make my Italian pills. So I will do with these tools my all grain Italian style lager, and you will find this recipe in our book about homemade beer. So now that you open the box, please be careful because this kit is liquid. There is liquid inside, so there is not only powder. When you cut it, you will open the bag with the liquid and also another bag inside where you can find the yeast and the other ingredients, so please be careful. To clean very well our box, we put inside a little bit of water, so we wash it everything very well and we don't waste anything. You know that I don't like waste food. Reach the water level, we need to add the yeast, seal everything, put inside the machine, and using the card with the program already inside, we start our fermentation. Super easy. But remember, there is also the MasterCard that give you the opportunity to program by yourself the machine. All the people that have bought this machine, these tools, through my link, through my coupon discount, and will buy, they can receive for free the MasterCard. So stay tuned. Mm, 10 days of fermentation at 18 Celsius degree for the lager is little bit high. You know that what I think and what I know I say. So really I don't like this program. So for my Italian pills, for my lager all grain, I will use the MasterCard. Now we'll take it from the box. But maybe I'm wrong. So let's see in 14 days with the testing if the result will be spectacular or not. Hello guys, today's special guest for the testing. We are with Paolo, so we will test the beer. Maybe he also can say something about the test, if he like, if it's sparkling, the foam, blah blah blah. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
The color.
Yeah, very good.
Let's see. Good.
So good.
Very fresh.
Yeah, not more bitter, not more frizzy, but it's very good.
Yeah, it's not so sparkling. So I need to try to change the setting with the MasterCard. So if I can have more sparkling and less foam. because maybe the pressure is too strong. You want to try this canapé with
Of course, with the beer.
truffle and lard? This is salty, this is cold.
How do you call? Spectacular.
Bravo. Okay, guys.
Hi friends.
Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave a like, to watch or share this video with your friends. If you try something, you have some question, you have some idea, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye.
Bye.